Welcome back again, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, it's amazing. Anyway, we're gonna give you the Caribbean style, the Jamaican style, Black History Month style, Black History Month wear. So there's a lot of things going on in the kitchen at the moment. So basically, I want to simply say to you, I got a tin of corned beef. Most people call it bully beef, or most people that say, oh, it's just a corned beef. Some people say, oh yeah, your right name is bully beef. In Jamaica, that's what we would call it, bully beef. Alright? Over here I got some mixed peppers. I got yellow pepper, red pepper, white onion, spring onion. We got some green pepper, tomato, piece of thyme, and some cabbage and sweet corn, and also bully beef or corned beef. Serve it rice. Black History Month recipe, guys. Let's start out the Black History Month that way. It's Black History Month now, and a lot of people are supposed to come out and celebrate Black History Month. Anyway, we're gonna kick it off by simple saying we're gonna take off all of this season, have some cabbage, corned beef, and sweet corn, and some pepper, and we're gonna serve it with some plain rice. I remember Gilbert days, corned beef. Never forget that, guys. Jamaican dish also. Enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much. Yes, sir. Right over here I have a medium size frying pan on the stove. We're gonna pop some olive oil inside of it like this. Roughly a tablespoon of olive oil. Alright, and what we're gonna do is to fry off all our seasoned veg and everything, just to get the flavor and the taste from it. Alright, so simple. Let's pop in the veg. Second thing, corned beef. Sorry guys, cabbage. And also little bit of coarse pepper. Give it a lovely stir. Beef season, and also gonna give you some more flavor in it. Teaspoon of paprika. Give it a stir. Look at this, guys. This is amazing recipe, Black History Month. And I want to simply say to you, a lot of people forgot about Black History Month, but remember, Chef Ricardo will never forget about Black History Month. Alright? So let's cook off this for roughly about one nice good 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. We're going to put in the sweet corn. And cover it, leave it, let it go and sweat for 5 more minutes. Yes, nice and lovely. So now this is finished. So basically I'm gonna cook off the corned beef. I'll make you guys see, and I'm gonna separate them because this is a little bit too much and I don't want to do too much corned beef and cabbage. So I'm just cooking off the cabbage first with all this veg. So now we're gonna go to part 2 with the corned beef. Nice and lovely. So now we're gonna put the corned beef inside, break it up, turn on your stove a little bit, and cover it. Make it sweat for a nice good 10 minutes. In the meantime, keep your eye on it until it's gonna get soft up, and then we're gonna add some stuff to that, and then we put the cabbage. Alright? So as you can see, corned beef gets soft. Add a little bit of ketchup. Lovely and nice. Then basically what we're gonna do is add a little bit of the cabbage, which we just cook off. Not too much. Just a little bit more. And just leave this for it to go and simmer for 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. So, this is the way it look. And to be honest, this is finished. We don't need to go any further with it. But we're just gonna dish it out instantly. Alright? Lovely and nice. So let's dish it out. So you guys can enjoy the corned beef and cabbage black history month recipe. As you can see, beautiful and nice and lovely. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So right here guys, as you can see, finished, done and dusted. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. I got some rice and I got the corned beef and rice, and I've just put some extra veg at the side, you know what I mean? Just face style it up and make it look nice, is it? Anyway, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and thank you so much, and hopefully we can come out with best, better recipe for you with Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye.